How to fix Wi-Fi problems in Windows.
Hello viewers, if you are experiencing Wi-Fi problems on your Windows operating system, you can perform these operations to fix the issue. I'm going to teach you the 3 basic troubleshooting steps that might fix multiple Wi-Fi issues on your computer. This applies to both Windows 10 and Windows 7 operating system users. So let's get started. First, let us run the network troubleshooter. To run the troubleshooter, go to Start and then select Settings. Select System here and find Troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters here. So now we need to run network troubleshooter. So click run here. Select which device you would like to troubleshoot. So select Wi-Fi here. If you also have a Bluetooth network connection issue, you can also run the troubleshooter. So select next. Overall, the network troubleshooter is a useful tool for anyone experiencing network related issues. So it will fix internet connection problem, DNS resolution, and other Wi-Fi issues you are facing on your computer. So once the troubleshooter completed the process, ensure to restart your computer. If you are still experiencing issues, uninstall and reinstall your network drivers from the device manager. To do that, go to search bar on the taskbar and type device manager. Click enter. Find the arrow next to network adapters in this list. So right click your default Wi-Fi driver. My PC is running on Intel Wi-Fi drivers. So in your PC it might be different. It might be Realtek or Qualcomm. So right click your default internet drivers and select uninstall device. Ensure you select this checkbox and select uninstall. Once the uninstallation is completed, do not worry about reinstalling the drivers. The drivers will be automatically reinstalled after restarting your computer. So after restarting your computer, check your Wi-Fi icon on the taskbar is back again or not. If the issue still persists, you need to run some network commands on this list to reset your DNS connection. To do that, go to command prompt and select run as administrator. So type or paste this command below and click enter. So you will get successfully reset the Windows catalog message, and next click OK. Everything has been reset. So now run the third command, IP configuration bar release. So now let's run the fourth command, ipconfigure/new. And run the next command, ipconfiguration bar/DNS. So successfully flushed. So once command operation completed, you will need to restart your computer. I'll give all these command lines on the description. So once completed, close the command prompt and restart your computer. So select your Wi-Fi connections on the taskbar and check the internet connectivity. Hopefully this video might be helpful for the users who are struggling with the Wi-Fi problems on your system. Thank you for watching.